Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Mike White with Project Michael's Charger, and for today's video I'm gonna go over some of the things that I have for the car that have not yet been put on the car that will soon be put on the car. Just looking to make some time. So I'll get into the video. I'm gonna have a few things laid out. Some of the stuff you guys have seen from previous videos, either some kind of unboxing or me getting it out of the mail or whatever, or telling you about it. So some of the stuff hasn't even been shown either. So I'll lay this stuff out and I'll show you guys here in a second. So hold on. All right, so here we are. A few things that have not been put on the car, and some of these things are just used for other things for them to be put on a car. For instance, this right here is a brake bleeder kit. So, because I'm about to redo my brakes, my brake system with steel braided brake lines and the new calipers. So yeah, I saw this. It was only like, I think it was like 10-15 bucks. I was like, I'll probably get a couple of uses out of this. So yeah, I bought it. You might say, oh man, that was just a waste of money. You're probably right. It probably was. Also, again, here is the part that I need for my shifter to get it out of park. So this will be going in there. Some little mud flaps that I haven't put on yet because I actually have to drill a hole. So I really kind of wasn't feeling that, but I have them. Also, these are what are these? These are brake the pedals covers. So let's check these out. There we go. Voila. So those are the pedal covers. I should have already installed these, I just haven't. So that's that. Headlights. Now, I bought these a long while ago, but I tried to put them in one day when I was outside just messing around with the car, and they wouldn't fit. So yeah, I don't know, but they weren't fitting, so I just left them. Just decided to leave them brand new in the box, haven't been used. Obviously my my light bar that I'm going to put on the car. I don't know if I'm gonna ghost it, put it behind the grill, or if I'm gonna put it actually on the push bar. Don't know yet. Shoot me a comment and tell me, what do you guys think I should do with the push bar? If I should ghost it or put it on the bar, on the push bar. These right here came with my inner and outer tie rods that we put on the car last year. We just didn't put these on, but I might end up putting these on because of I got this, and I showed you guys this the other day. And this is, yeah, the coilovers. So might as well, since I'm switching those out, might as well switch the whole thing. I have a whole full complete suspension switch, and yeah, Mopar and antifreeze that once I do my flush will be going in there. when I do my oil change, I'll have this new thing because the other one was stripped. And I bought 2 filters. Couldn't tell you which one's better. I don't think it even really matters which one's better, but I have 2 filters, so I don't have to use buy another one every freaking time. Obviously, you see this bad boy, the Viper, is not on there yet. I'm waiting. I've been lazy, just haven't got the part, the module for it to auto start and to control the doors. Need that part. The place I went to go get it installed was trying to charge me $100 just for that one part. Amazon is $25. So yeah. And here is a brake caliper, brand new one, with obviously the parts to go with it. This is the rear. The paint on here is really good. I really like it. So it's really I don't know if it's high grade paint or whatever, but it's pretty good. And I'll show you this. All right, so back at it, and here is these muffler tips. Pretty cool. See if you can, I don't know, photo. So yeah, cool thing about these are powered I should say, and when they're hooked up, the inside of, I don't see if you can see where my pinky is right there, inside that little black thing, well, there's a blue LED that goes all the way around and it lights up. So yeah, these are pretty cool. But also I also have to get a harness for all these things that I want to have switch so I can turn it on and off by myself, because you know I don't want to deal with the popo and then messing with me when I'm trying to just have fun and show off all the lights to the car. So I will have some underglows. I will have some lights to light up the engine bay, and obviously, like I said, that will have their own switches. I have halos on my fog lights that need a switch as well. So yeah, I'll have all that coming this year. Hopefully everything should be hooked up, connected, wired, everything by the end of 2020. Oh yeah, let's not forget the wicker build. Just got this bad boy. It's in his house. The wicker build up there. So yeah, this is all the stuff that I have, including that. All the stuff I have that needs to go on the car that I have. This is everything that I have. Nothing that I'm waiting on. This is everything as of right now that I have. I will be purchasing a few more things. Like I said, I think I'm gonna just go to, once we put the coilovers on, I'm gonna go ahead and get my other set of calipers for the front, and probably a whole new set of brakes, redo that system, and then, you know, probably put the alarm on. I got to do an oil change coming up, and I also have to do I'm gonna do an antifreeze coolant flush. Sorry. These lights, I'm gonna try to figure out how I'm gonna get these lights in there, and I don't know if these lights are for the headlights or they might be even fog light replacements. I don't want them as fog lights. I mean, there's nothing wrong with them being fog lights, but those are some pretty nice headlights, and I would like to have them in the headlights, not in the fog lights. This will probably be coming soon, because this will probably be one of the easiest things we do. They said I got to get a harness for all the lights that are gonna be hooked up and connected. Don't know where I'm gonna put that. Like I said, shoot me a comment either on here or on my Instagram. My Instagram is also Project Michael's Charger. So you can shoot me a comment and tell me where you guys think what I should do with the light bar. Ghost it or mount it onto the actual push bar itself. And then, like I said, once we put the coilovers on, might as well put the new control arms on and just see how everything rolls. So yeah, then like I said, have this all hooked up and everything. I'm definitely gonna have to cut my muffler, either straight pipe it or have a pipe connected to that, or just cut the tip off and have these welded in, and then booyah, go like that, baby. Just like that, have those installed so I can turn those on, and it'll look dope. I'll have a video of it, I promise. Once I put it on, I think it's gonna look dope as hell. I ain't seen nobody with that. Hopefully I don't see nobody on Instagram like in the next couple of days with it, because then I'm gonna be ticked off. So, and also, seeing these lights, I just put these lights in. The person where I usually park, somebody parked right there, so I couldn't get and see how bright they are up against the building, but these lights are brighter. They're bright as hell. So they're brighter, definitely brighter than the regular LEDs I had in there. So these are I'm using these lights as my reverse lights. So let's see if you guys want to go and check these out. Like I said, I got these on Amazon. They were probably about like $5-6. So yeah. All right, guys, that's it for tonight. And then when I say tonight, I mean tonight, because it is the middle of the night. So please like and subscribe to the channel. Show your boy some support. I really appreciate it. If you guys have a channel, Instagram, that you guys want me to follow you guys back on, please send me that. I will definitely follow you guys back. I comment and I respond to comments in the comment section. So please, if you guys have anything, any ideas, any questions, shoot me a comment and I'll get back to you when I can. It's usually pretty fast because, you know, I'll be bored and I don't have anything to do, unless I have Mini-Me in the back with me, which is not here tonight. So yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.